Why is it that when you take time off at Christmas, you don't actually get time off? Like, there's no time to chill. There's presents to buy, presents to wrap, your house needs to be tidied, you need to buy food for everyone. And the days just go away with you and you're like, hang on a minute, my feet hurt and I haven't sat down. It is a magical time of year though, so I'll let it slide. It was hair wash day today because I have not washed my hair in like a week. It was getting greasy. I used a red cane shampoo and Fable Main hair mask and then added in my leave-in products, and then yeah, my hair is so silky. My hair colour is looking a bit weird at the moment. I'm trying to fade it in preparation for a new colour in the new year. Although I'm still not ready to get rid of the red, but I feel like I need to switch up. I went back to that garden centre that I went to the other day. I needed to get a few extra bits for my Christmas table, what can I say? And then it was time to tackle tidying the house. Do any of your dogs do this when you're hoovering? It's actually such a nightmare. Unbox some parcels that I got gifted, and then the big job was to tackle the kitchen. We just had stuff like everywhere that I hadn't unboxed and things that we needed to put away, tidy the dishwasher. Basically had to get the kitchen ready for Christmas. And I'm having a small Christmas this year because it's just me, Robin and the doggies, which I actually think will be really nice. We're having a bit of a late Christmas with some family because they're away, but it means I get a full day of cuddles with the dogs.